Ever feel like you're struggling to find the time or maybe the money to get Google Cloud certified? Well, what if I told you that you could get expert-led training, hands-on labs, and a free exam voucher, all wrapped up in a structured 9-week program? That's what we're digging into today. We're breaking down Google's Gear Get Certified program, which is this really unique pathway to earning a super valuable industry certification. So let's just cut right to the chase. How much does a Google Cloud certification actually cost? I mean, when you start adding up the training materials, the practice exams, the actual exam itself, it can be a pretty big investment. But what if that cost was, well, what if it was zero? Yep, you heard that right. For you, it could potentially cost nothing. Zilch. And that right there is the incredible hook of the program we're exploring today. So that's what this is all about. It's a no-cost certification path. And in this explainer, we're going to walk you through everything you need to know to get started, from who's eligible to the application process, and what that whole 9-week journey actually looks like. Okay, so what is the Gear Get Certified program exactly? Well, think of it like this. It's a completely free guided group, a cohort, that runs for about 9 weeks. It's basically a boot camp for your Google Cloud certification, packed with instructor-led training and mentorship to help you get across the finish line. All right, so probably the very first and most important question on your mind is, am I even eligible? That makes total sense. So let's jump right into the requirements and see if this program is the right fit for you. Okay, let's break this down. First off, this program is specifically for Google Cloud customers, and you'll need a corporate email to prove it. Also, and this is a big one, it's a real-time commitment. We're talking about 9 hours a week, so you got to make sure you can carve out that time. The cohorts are also limited in size, so it's first come, first served. You got to be ready when registration opens. And finally, that free exam voucher, you earn it by hitting all the learning milestones, which is a fantastic way to keep you motivated. So you've looked at the requirements, you've got the corporate email, you've got the time, and you're ready to go. Awesome! Let's move on and see how the application process actually works. It's a pretty straightforward 4-step path to get your spot. Here are the 4 steps. First step, you've got to join Gear, which is the Google Developer Program. It's also free, by the way. Second, you'll use that corporate email to confirm you're eligible. Third, and this one is a biggie, you have to choose your certification track. And finally, step 4 is to submit your application while that registration window is open. Okay, now for the really fun part. What actually happens once you're accepted? Let's take a peek inside the 9-week journey to see what you can expect from the program itself. First, and this is huge, you get expert instruction. We're talking live virtual sessions with Google certified instructors and other experts. So if you're stuck on a tricky concept, like IAM policies or something, you can literally just ask your question and get an answer right then and there. Next, you get to roll up your sleeves and get your hands dirty with labs on the official Google Skills platform. And the best part? You're working in real cloud environments. We are not talking about simulations here. This is the real deal. You're building practical, job-ready skills right from day one. And you are definitely not going on this journey alone. You'll be part of a cohort, a whole community of other people who are in the exact same boat as you. You can lean on them and your technical mentor to work through problems and, just as important, to keep you motivated and on track. So what does the whole program actually look like week to week? This timeline breaks it down pretty nicely. The first 2 weeks are all about the fundamentals. You've got live training to get everybody on the same page. Then from week 3 all the way to week 9, you dive deep into your certification journey with self-paced labs and weekly reviews. And it all builds up to that final capstone, scheduling and passing your official certification exam. All right, let's talk about one of the biggest choices you'll have to make. Which certification are you going to go for? Let's look at the different tracks they offer so you can figure out the right path for your own career goals. So as you can see, Google runs this program a few times a year, each with its own application window. You'll see really popular certs like the Associate Cloud Engineer, or ACE, which is a fantastic starting point. Then there's the Professional Cloud Architect, or PCA, which is for more seasoned pros. And check it out. In the second edition, they also offer the Professional Data Engineer, or PDE track, which is absolutely perfect if you're a data professional. And hey, listen up, because this is a really crucial piece of advice. Choose your track carefully. Once registration closes, you are locked in. You can't switch, so make absolutely sure you're passionate about the path you pick from the start. But don't just take my word for it. This program has a proven track record. As Google themselves say, when you join, you're joining thousands of other developers who've used this exact program to prove their cloud skills and open up all sorts of new career opportunities.
So, after seeing how all this works, the expert instruction, the real world labs, the support from your peers, and the fact that it's all at no cost, there's really only one question left to ask yourself. Are you ready to advance your career?
If the answer is heck yes, then your next step is super simple. We've put the direct link to the Google Gear Get Certified program right in the description below. We'll also make sure to pin it in the comment section to make it even easier to find. If you have any questions at all about eligibility, the time commitment, anything, just drop them in the comments below and we'll do our best to get you an answer. Good luck, and we really hope this helps you take that next big step in your cloud career.